horizon. Dawn is breaking. A brand new day. The best kept secrets of the Croatian Adriatic are waiting to be discovered. If you've ever dreamt of becoming an Adriatic explorer, set your mind free and indulge in the luxury of the Katarina Line Deluxe Cruise. Cruise along the coastline and around wondrous islands. Enjoy the silence and beauty of the incredible scenery. Reveal Croatia, a work of art by an unknown artist. The newly built deluxe fleet caters for 36 people per ship, provides excellent service aboard, and is ideal for small groups or individuals looking for a carefree vacation. Its modern furnishing and comfortable interiors go perfectly with the comprehensive list of services included in the package, from airport transfers and guided tours. The crew will give you a warm welcome, making you feel like a part of the Katarina Line family. Enjoy the high-quality service and the idea of a perfect getaway. All you need to do is get on a plane, and the Katarina Line will take care of the rest. Depart from Opatija, the cradle of Croatian tourism and our hometown, with its ideal geolocation as a perfect getaway to the Croatian coast. Admire the pristine beauty of the northern gems scattered around the lush evergreen islands, and live the moments reserved only for dreamers. Cruising from Split or Dubrovnik reveals the divine Dalmatian Islands, charming coastal towns that provide an authentic Mediterranean experience. Different daily ports tell their stunning stories. Visit the home of Marco Polo, cruise along the old Dubrovnik walls, or simply enjoy a traditional dinner in a unique hilltop village in the hinterlands. The diverse regions and foreign influences over the centuries have left their mark on Croatian cuisine, so be sure to taste our national specialities in 3 or 4 courses. On Deluxe Cruises, a gourmet experience is awaiting you, with every dish telling its own flavorful story. Every sunrise is a new chance to fully live Croatia, through unique national parks, centuries-old customs, and historical sites leaving you in awe. Our professional guides will make the experience even better. You will walk together like old friends, talking about how it once was. Ask, learn, feel the local spirit, live the history around you. Soak it all in. It is the greatest souvenir you can bring back home. Memories that will make you smile forever. Board one of Katarina Line Deluxe vessels for a cruise of a lifetime.